Nowadays, meteorology is the first piece of information that everyone is interested in, especially with the latest climate change and the increase in frequency and severity of extreme weather and climate events, such as droughts and floods. In Morocco, ensuring the availability of reliable and relevant meteorological information is the job of the Moroccan National Meteorological Service. Through our continuous work in weather monitoring over the entire territory, we participate in ensuring the safety of people and property. Our scientific work in observation, weather forecasting, and climatology contributes significantly to the economic and social development of the country. The Moroccan National Meteorological Service employs around 750 engineers, managers, technicians, supervisory and support staff. We provide 24 hours a day, 7 days a week weather watch of a set of meteorological parameters, including sky conditions, precipitation amount, temperature, pressure, humidity, wind, insolation, radiation, etc. The collection of this information is realized through an observation network of 44 meteorological centers, 156 automatic weather stations, 7 terrestrial radars with a range of 240 kilometers, covering almost the whole of Morocco, 5 maritime stations, 2 marine radars, 8 lightning sensors for thunderstorm detection and monitoring, and 4 upper-air sounding stations, in addition to a climatological network of more than 500 points of measurement. In near real time, we collect data from national and international meteorological stations. We rely on high-performance information systems that allow the exchange of real-time information at the national and international levels in accordance with the transmission standards and protocols recommended by the World Meteorological Organization. This system disseminates information and warnings to all users in different ways. A VPN network allows connection between our sites to streamline data exchange at the local, regional, and central levels. The Moroccan National Meteorological Service is designated as Global Information System Center according to the information system of the World Meteorological Organization. Given their significant amount, the data is processed rapidly using highly sophisticated computers dedicated to process, such as the Amtar supercomputer, which processes more than 1 million billion operations per second. Thus, the Moroccan National Meteorological Service operates the most powerful supercomputer of the African meteorological centers. The power of these computers allows the execution of the digital model with fine mesh and limited domain focused on Morocco. Al-Bashir model, in addition to Arome and Arpège Climate models. They provide short-term analysis and forecasting of meteorological parameters. Research in the fields of climatology and climate prediction is also carried out on these machines. They provide ergonomic presentations and visualizations of various meteorological fields, helping decision-making related to weather forecasts and warnings. Weather forecasting remains one of the basic missions of meteorology. It informs users about weather predictions and warns them of occurrence in extreme weather events. Thanks to a new warning system and meteorological vigilance map, which effectively contributes to the development of early warnings of dangerous meteorological phenomenon at local level, province, and municipality, the Meteorological Vigilance Map makes it possible to visualize on the map of Morocco the level of intensity of the expected dangerous meteorological phenomenon, thus allowing officials to anticipate meteorological risks to come. On a daily basis, we work on a multitude of bulletins and meteorological information intended for various socio-economic sectors: air transport, national defense, civil protection, maritime activities and fishing, water resources, agriculture, tourism, BTP, insurances, etc. Therefore, we refer to data obtained from our sources, as well as results generated by digital weather prediction models based on mathematical equations related to physics of the atmosphere. Our appraised forecasts range from real-time up to 10 days. We rely on a high-performance telecommunication system and an integrated information system for transmitting data and various weather reports to different users and partners. In addition to using fax, web technologies to ensure interactivity. Internet, intranet, extranet, and AeroWeb are also used in order to make information accessible. In order to ensure good quality observed data, we regularly carry out preventative or corrective maintenance operations. Our laboratory allows to calibrate a set of sensors measuring precipitation amount, pressure, temperature, humidity, radiation, etc. This laboratory is designed as WMO's Regional Instrumentation Center for the African region in accordance with the requirements of ISO 17025. A research group is working hand-in-hand with international meteorological research centers to further develop digital weather prediction and to evaluate and improve the cycles of existing models. The ALGAZE program aims at increasing rainfall. It's based on artificial weather modification techniques using cloud seeding by silver iodide from dedicated aircrafts or from ground generators. The expertise of our experts in this field has allowed the development of South-South cooperation for the benefit of several sub-Saharan African countries. In addition to observing and monitoring the climate, we ensure the detection, evaluation, and interpretation of observed evolutions and changes in Morocco. We develop fine-scale climate change projections through high-resolution numerical modeling and digital methods. We also participate and accompany our partners in carrying out impact assessment studies for the implementation of adaptation strategies. Furthermore, we contribute to various international work on climate and climate change, and are also a focal point for the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC. We continue to develop, test, and evaluate seasonal forecasting experiments in order to support planning and decision-making several months in advance. Our National Meteorological Service is actively participating in the programs of the World Meteorological Organization. Several DGM experts sit on the technical commissions of this organization. At the bilateral level, we have partnership agreements with the National Meteorological Services of friendly African, Arab, and European countries. The National Meteorology Service is an active member of the European Accord Consortium. It is the only non-European associate member of the European Center for Medium-Range Weather Forecasts. To meet the needs of its customers and users, we suggest a wide range of products, offering to professionals from different areas the meteorological assistance adapted to the specificities of their sectors. We provide special products and services to the following sectors: air, land, and sea transport, navigation, sea fishing, and port operations, agriculture, water resources, environment, media, tourism, energy, dams, and renewable energy, and public institutions and national defense. The Moroccan National Meteorological Service is currently ISO 9001 version 2015 certified for all of its service activities. Maintaining certification according to the ISO 9001 standard crowns the quality approach undertaken for many years by the DGM and consolidates the process of transformation and continuous improvement set out in its 2021 through 2025 strategic plan. This certification is an official recognition of the compliance of our operations with international practices and standards. It's also a part of our resolute commitment to suggest and implement actions for the continuous improvement of our performance and services, with an added value for the benefit of our partners and users.